Guess began in 1981 as a jeans company and has evolved into a global lifestyle brand that is worldwide.
Our partnership with Matterport started in 2017 when our retail development department used Matterport to scan our new store openings and then current locations across the globe.
Nothing comes to fruition if we can't get things out in an orderly fashion. Communication to stores is definitely something that is happening on a daily basis.
Before, when we had paper directives, we ended up sending to over 300 plus stores in North America 80 pages of documents. And now with Matterport, we're able to eliminate that.
Using the Matterport app on our iPads, it's very simple to use and very easy. We do use the measuring tool quite a lot within our scans to just ensure we're doing ADA compliancy within our store spaces, as well as just making sure there's accuracy within the store plans versus what we're actually seeing in stores. We're definitely seeing consistency across all markets within North America, which is an extreme benefit for us in terms of just the design vision, the brand consistency, and the message that is from the top down is still being well translated into stores, and we're definitely seeing that on the return when it comes to sales.
Big Tin Can is our one-stop shop that we have on every single store's iPad. So everyone has accessibility to it, from our store personnel to our field leadership, even to team members in our corporate office. Every Matterport scan, they're able to access through this platform. So Matterport has been integral in us being able to share product collections, product knowledge, and then really elevating the customer experience, I think has been really key for us.